What's good? What's poppin'? It's your girl Jordan Dawson. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe because all I bring are good vibes.
I'm dealing with you. Yeah. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love.
Today's video is going to be on 2 blonde feeding braids. Yes, I look a little bit crazy right now. I just washed, conditioned, deep conditioned, then blow dried my hair. I'm about to flat iron my hair. I have not straight iron. I have not flat ironed my hair in a good minute. I got the hair all set up, 10 pieces that I'm gonna add in to 1 braid. I'm about to flat iron my hair real quick. And yeah. I'm about to do this braid and I'll be back when I'm doing this. So, obviously done one side. Took me like 30 minutes to braid this one braid. And it's not even as tight as it can be. But I did it so many times that I was getting frustrated and I just like, it is what it is. Before I start braiding, I oil my scalp. Then I take my Jamaican black castor oil, lavender Jamaican black castor oil. Put it on the part where I'm gonna put edge control at. My hair, I don't got no product in my hair anyway, so my hair needs some moisture. Then I get my ends. Then I get a glob of edge control. Ouch. I get my hard brush, brush that up. Get a good amount of this to start the braid off. What do I need to do? Good enough. I'll take this, split it in 3. Then I do 1. Grab my first piece, put it under, put this over, braid tight. Do it again, boom, boom. Now you add over, boom, boom, and you just keep adding after each one. The thicker the braid gets, the harder it is to grip the hair.
Yeah, the funny thing is, it's not tight at all. Cause it's not tight in the back. But I'm just put bobby pins right there. Nobody gonna be seeing the back of my head anyway. You feel me? Do it look okay? I know the back end look alright. I feel it. Like, look how loose it is. It's supposed to be tight, but it's loose. Get loose. Get loose.
It look good from the front. You can't tell me nothing. It look good from the front, but the back we not gonna talk about. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me struggle. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell so you can stay tuned, because there's more coming soon. I use this every night. When I have braids, I use it. Pump, pump, smooth, smooth, pump, pump, smooth, smooth. Get the roots too. Then I put my do-rag on and go to sleep. I feel like this was a fail, but at the same time, it's not. And it's not tight. And it's not gonna last long. Thank you guys for watching. Toodles.